Good morning, happy homeowners. Look at that. Up here in Lake Arrowhead. Got this beautiful engineered hickory floor that someone has mopped on and just ruined. Mopped something on it and just ruined it. Mopped it over the dog hairs. I mean, it's just, look at that. Oh my gosh. Just, so when you open it, look at it, look at that. See that? Just, we're about to bring this baby back to life. It's gonna be beautiful steps. Same, look at this. Look at that, see that? Oh, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Look at that. Oh man, can't wait for you guys to see how beautiful this ends up. Look at that. Crazy, crazy. Got one small room over here we gotta do. We're gonna leave these steps alone. They're not in bad shape. We gotta fix this. Whew. Fix these two steps. We're gonna fix these steps and all of this. Stay tuned.